Hi everyone, welcome to another video, Algebra 1 Common Core Exam Prep. Today we will be focusing on two past exam questions on equations and inequalities. Before I jump into our first example, I'd like to thank all my viewers and my subscribers. Thanks to my recent subscriber. Please continue to like these videos, share the videos, and as soon as you tune into the video, press the like button. So let's get into our first example. What is the solution to the given equation below? 4 times x minus 7 is equal to 0.3 times x plus 2 plus 2.11. So let's rewrite the equation. Minus 7, 0.3 plus 2, 1, 1. So our first step is to simplify the equation. 4 times x minus 28 0.3x 0.3x plus 0.6 plus 2.11. So we simplify the equation by removing the parentheses. Next we are going to collect like terms. You're going to have the x's on this side. So we have 4x, and we need to get rid of this 0.3x from this side. And in order to get rid of this positive 0.3x, we have to minus 0.3x from both sides. Minus 0.3x and in the same breath where we want to get all these numbers on this side. So we have 0.6 plus 2.11. Remember, the negative x, the negative 0.3x cancel this. So we're only left with 0.6 and 2.11 on this side. Now we need to get rid of this negative 28. To get rid of this negative 28, we're going to add 28 to both sides. When we add 28 to this side, it cancels out. So it's no longer on this side. And now we have to add it to this side. And we continue to further simplify. 4x minus 0.3x, 3.7x is equal to 30.71. 30.71. Now we need to get rid of this 3.7 because we need to find x. So we need to get rid of the 3.7 by dividing both sides by 3.7. So we divide both sides by 3.7. 3.7. So this was cancelled out and we have x is equal to 30.71 divided by 3.7. 30.71. So we could further simplify this before we start dividing. So what we can do, we can multiply by both sides by 10. So we'll move the point one place to the right, one place to the right, and now we'll have 307.1 divide by 37. Line up our decimal point. (37) into 3, we can't. 37 into 30, we can't. 37 into 307, let's try 8. 8 times 37, 296. Subtract 111, bring down the 1, and 37. How many times can 37 go into 111? Let's try 3. 3 7s 21, 3 3s 9, and 2 11, and that is equal. So final answer 8.3. So we look at our choices, and A is the correct choice. So this is a perfect example for you to go over. It has a lot of strategies. First, you're solving multi-step equation, and you're also reviewing how to divide decimal. Example 2. Which value would be a solution for x in the inequality 47 minus 4x is less than 7? So let's rewrite. (47 minus 4x is less than 7). Simplify. We're going to minus 47 from both sides. Minus 47 minus 47. And this cancels out, and we're left with negative 4x is less than negative 40. Now we need to have x alone on this side. So negative 4x means multiply. So we are going to 4 times x. 4x means multiply 4 times x. So we're going to divide to get rid of this 4. So what we're going to do, we're going to divide by negative 4. Let's write this out again so we can see it more clearly. Negative 4x is less than negative 40. So we're going to divide by negative 4x. Negative 4. So we have divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. So this will cancel out, and this. So x is right here, and this will cancel out, and that is equal to 10. Now, what we need to, the most important point right here is when you are solving an inequality, and you have to divide or multiply both sides by a negative, you have to flip the sign. Let me repeat that. When you are solving an inequality, if you have to divide or multiply both sides by a negative, you have to flip the sign. So we divided both sides by negative 4. So we're going to flip this sign to greater than. Flip that sign to greater than. So final answer is x is greater than 10. So any number that is greater than 10 could be a solution, could be in that solution set for this inequality. But so it's a multiple choice, but they're asking you for any value that could be in the solution set. So let's look at these choices and see which number could be in the solution set. So the solution set starts from 11. Okay, solution set 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on. So that would be the solution set. So when we look at our choices, we have one number, 11, which value would be a solution for x, and that is 11. So our choice is 11. Okay, and that's it for today. So when we're solving an inequality, it follows pretty much the same rule as when we're solving an equation, but the point of interest right here is whenever you're multiplying or dividing both sides by a negative, you have to flip the sign. And there you have it. I hope this will help you in your preparation for your upcoming exams. See you in the next video.